Hey folks, if you're thinking about selling your home in Oakville, you're in for a treat. Oakville's real estate market is buzzing, and with the right strategies, you can sell your home quickly and profitably. So let's dive into some tips and strategies to make that happen. First off, why sell your home in Oakville? Well, the town's beautiful waterfront, top-rated schools, and vibrant community make it a hotspot for buyers. Plus, it's super convenient for commuters with easy access to Toronto. And let's not forget, Oakville's property values have been appreciating consistently. It's a great place to invest. Now onto the steps to successfully sell your home. Step 1. Hire a top real estate agent. An experienced agent can give you valuable insights, help set the right price, and market your property effectively. Next, prepare your home. Declutter, clean, and maybe even stage it to make it more appealing. Minor repairs and updates can also boost value. Setting the right price is crucial. Work with your agent to determine a competitive price based on market analysis. Then, market your property. Use professional photos, virtual tours, and online listings to showcase your home. Hosting open houses can also generate interest. This allows buyers to see the property in person and ask questions. When offers come in, review and negotiate to get the best deal. Your agent will help you evaluate each offer and negotiate terms. Finally, close the sale. Complete the paperwork and finalize the transaction. Your agent will coordinate with all parties to ensure a smooth closing. If you're selling privately, do your research. Understand market conditions and pricing trends. Prepare all legal documents with the help of a real estate lawyer. Use online platforms to list your home and be available for viewings. Be ready to negotiate directly with buyers. Selling your home in Oakville doesn't have to be stressful. With the right approach and a bit of preparation, you can make it a smooth and successful process. Good luck!